First, you need to create a webhook. Click the profile icon on the upper right hand of your screen. Then click Webhooks. In the Choose an Action dropdown, click this. Then click Create/Update Lead. Then click Create Webhook. Click Copy Link to the clipboard and go to the other platform that you want to integrate with. In my example, I have a workflow that when a sales team appointment is booked, I want this data to be sent to this webhook so I can create or update a lead in my direct messaging tool. Again, remember this is my specific workflow. Yours may look different depending on which external platform you are using. To review, my trigger is sales team appointment booked, and I added a webhook action, as you can see here. If I click into this module, I'm going to see the URL area. This is where I'm going to put the webhook that I just copied. Remember, where you need to enter your webhook may look different based on what external platform you are using. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my custom webhook URL here. Then I'm going to click Save Action. And now in this specific flow, I'm going to click Save since I have made changes. Also, on my specific workflow, I need to make sure that this workflow is set to publish. Now, I need to send data to the webhook link to complete this webhook setup. So to do this, I need to trigger the webhook. My specific trigger is a sales team appointment booked. Remember, your trigger might be something else, such as a form is filled out. So since my specific trigger is a sales team appointment book, I'm going to go book a sales team appointment. Great, if everything was completed properly, your data should have been received by the webhook. Now it's time to complete the setup below. You can enter in a webhook friendly name here. If you're ready to enable the webhook after finishing the setup and clicking Save, then toggle on Enable Webhook. Now it's time to map the fields. Please map the fields from the incoming data with our available fields below. If the data is not relevant and you do not want to map it, then simply ignore. I would say the ones that you must do on the full name, select the field that says Name Required. Make sure that email is mapped to email and make sure that the phone data is mapped to the field that says Telephone. When you finish mapping your data, scroll to the bottom and click the button that says Add Custom Value. This is where we tell the webhook where to add or update the lead in our pipeline. Click Select a Field. Scroll down until you see Pipeline Stage ID. Select this field. To get the value to enter in this box, go to the pipeline that has a stage you want to add or update leads to. For example, I want to add or update leads to the Call Book stage. So you can mouse over the stage to obtain the pipeline stage ID number, or you can simply click the three dots on this stage, click Edit Stage, then you can copy the pipeline stage ID here. And then you can go back into the webhook setup area and you can enter the value you just copied. When your webhook setup is ready, click Save Changes. Well done! As you can see, you have your new webhook created here. Remember, it is active if you see the green button that says Active here.